perfect size, you must buy one.
Okay, so I threw these beef patties on frozen, and I just want to see if it's even heat or where most of the heat's concentrated. And it seems like this burger here is cooking way faster than the rest of them. And then the top row here is cooking faster than the bottom row. So it's not totally even heat like I was hoping, but it works. I like it, and it cooks good.
Well, I bought me a new toy because it's too darn hot to cook on the inside. So I decided to start cooking on the outside. Let's see how this works. Hell, I'm impressed. This is good. Done deal.